Assalamu alaikum everyone, hope all of you are doing well. It's me Abdul Hannan. So in today's video we are discuss about how to create the email snippets. In the previous video we are covered how to create the SMS snippets, and in this video we will cover how to create the email snippets. So let's start the video. Okay, so the process is same. Go to the marketing and then snippets, and then you can create the folder. I have also explained this. Click on the new snippet, add email snippet, and then you have multiple option and more option rather than the SMS snippet. Okay, so first you have to enter the name. For the video purpose I create this for just the understanding purpose. Okay, so welcome email snippet, the name is welcome email, and then the welcome to the community, it's the subject of the email, and this is some dummy content. You can see, hey, contact first name, thank you for reaching out to us, we are excited to connect with you and learn about how we can help. If you have any question, feel free to reply this email. Best regards for team. And this is a preview how your email looks like, and you can add any document if you want to add any PDF, any sport, any guide. Okay, so from this here you can test the email snippet by sending the email to any your email to test how it's work, and just hit the save button. And the process is simple. You just have to go to the conversation tab, and then you can see by clicking here you have option to add the welcome snippet. Just click here. You can use the snippet inside your conversation. You just have to click here and add the snippet. The snippet is already add in the chat box of the user. You can use here also, because this is a snippet you can use for multiple leads. That the subject is added, the name is added, and the content is added. Now you can schedule and send on the same time, and schedule from the here. Like you can set it for the 8 o'clock at the 8 of the each morning. You can set it according to your scenario. And similar in the automation, we have also explained in the previous lecture. Just go to the automation and you have to select any action, like go to my folder and then open action tab. Okay, so this is just for testing purpose. Click here to add the action, and you can see send email. And inside the email you have option to select from the existing template, and then welcome email. I think this is the welcome email we have created. Hi, contact first name, thank you for reaching out. So you can just add it, the subject is added, and you just have to save action. And then whenever someone whenever the automation is triggered, the email is sent to the lead or the user. I hope this video finds you well. If you like the video, subscribe the channel. See you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.